employee health benefits platform for SMBs and startups, OnSurety has raised $16 million in a Series A round of funding led by fintech investor Quona Capital alongside existing investor Nexus Ventures. The round also saw participation from healthcare entrepreneur Vivek Garipalli, founder and CEO of Clover Healthcare. Now, OnSurety provides a self-serve platform where organizations can purchase flexible and customized health benefit subscriptions for their employees in minutes. To talk about the fundraise and the future roadmap at OnSurety, joining me now is its co-founder, Kulin Shah. Kulin, welcome to Startup Street. Now, you plan to use the investment to strengthen your healthcare platform and offerings. Take me through the specifics of the fund allocation plans, any new products in the pipeline, and how are they designed to cater to the need of SMBs?
Yeah. First of all, Shruti, thanks for having us over on CNBC TV. And, to talk about the funding plan, right, we just raised our Series A round. And I think there are three key areas that we want to kind of, deploy the funds in, right? One is obviously increase our, go-to market. We want to kind of reach out in the next 12 months. We want to enroll close to about 10,000 SMEs and provide their employees the healthcare that they deserve, right? Our vision is obviously that to kind of democratize healthcare, right? So in order to do that, we want to create and, start investing in the technology part of the business, right? Because technology is going to be key for distribution and for the customer experience, right? So and in order to kind of create the real Atmanirbhar Bharat that the Prime Minister has been talking about, right? I think technology is going to play an important role out here.
All right. So the investments will go in technology and you're planning to enroll 10,000 SMEs. Kulin, OnSurety claims it offers companies flexible and customized health benefit subscriptions for the employees in just minutes. How have you been able to do that? Take me through the process. And also, there are several intermediaries offering affordable health insurance and benefits in India. How are you different from the existing solution providers?
Absolutely. So first of all, I just like to add out here that, OnSurety is a first of its kind solution where we have kind of created a comprehensive healthcare benefit and not just health insurance that has been, traditionally available only to enterprises, right? And there is where OnSurety is kind of, filling or bridging the gap. We have basically gone ahead and, created a comprehensive monthly subscription, which is unheard of in India. And especially for the SMEs, it works, very well because it kind of saves their working capital. So just by going onto onsurety.com, giving up your GSTIN number, right? It just takes 2 minutes to kind of, select your plan and enroll your employees onto the platform itself. This in itself is a big disruption because traditionally it has taken 30 days for any company to, get employee benefits.
All right. Kulin, you spoke about your monthly subscription model and it offers a single subscription to not only full-time employees, but also to contractors, interns and consultants. So tell me, who's your target audience and take me through your revenue model.
Sure. So our target audience is the missing middle of India, right? Because the missing middle is the place where, these kind of benefits have been completely absent, right? So we basically go ahead and, are kind of going after this 35 million SMEs in India who have zero access to affordable employee healthcare benefits, right? So what we are kind of doing is we're going behind right from small restaurants to consulting firms to, CA firms, ITS outfits, and also, large companies who have a lot of SME, business associates.
Okay. And I believe you've already boarded over 1,200 SMEs till date. Take me through the kind of partnerships you have with hospitals and the current scale of operations.
Yes. So, you rightly mentioned, we have about 1,200 SMEs on our platform today. We basically given access to close to about, 5,000 hospitals where our users can go and get a cashless claims treatment. And not only that, we have also provided a first of its kind, claims and hospitalization support concierge service, right? So in case anyone wants also to kind of, create a reimbursement, we provide a complete support and hand-holding, which is
All right, Kulin. Now, you also claim your platform has helped SMBs bring back workforce post-lockdowns. Any statistics you can provide? And also, if you could share some growth targets you've set for yourself.
Absolutely. So, from a SME perspective, we saw a lot of people going back to their hometowns, and SMEs struggle to kind of get these people back. But our solution, where the healthcare and the healthcare related expenses are kind of taken care of, we have been able to kind of provide our solution to close to about 70,000 odd employees, and the SMEs have been able to kind of give the confidence to these employees to kind of come back. To give you one more statistics, we have in our user base, 85% of them have got the first time access to health benefits, right?
Okay.
Which in turn shows that the kind of gap that exists in the market today. In order to make sure that every employee gets this benefit, we are targeting close to about 10,000 SMEs in the next 12 months to be onboarded onto Onsurity. And over the next 5 years, hope to have 10 million SMEs getting these benefits for
Okay.
their, for their team members.
All right.